Loudon.
Okay. Good to have you here. Did I hear Miss Sandra Boyd as well?
Yes, you did. How you doing?
Great. Hope you.
Okay, I'll go ahead and call to order this Lee County Board of Health for our April 15th meeting. This is the first time that I've been involved in a meeting like this, so we'll try to make it run as smooth as possible. What we need to do is, so that we can take roll call, is you have everyone who's here. And then if, for our members that are remotely calling in, if you can each state your name so we can have it on record, that would be great.
I'll go first. This is Dr. Andrew Loudon.
Okay, Dr. Loudon.
This is Mary Holly Oates.
Okay.
Buzz Hooker.
Pastor Hooker. Is there one more?
I said, I'm Sandra Bullhorn.
And Sandra Boyd. All right, excellent. We have a quorum. The first item of business is approval of the agenda. So we had an action item to approve the submitting for the cooperative agreement. Now we need to change it to actually approve that the monies that we received. Is that correct, Mr. Kane?
I'd like to ask the board to modify it to apply for and accept the funding for the COVID CDC, $78,555.
So just to repeat that, we are, instead of just, for our agenda, when we get to that action item, instead of just applying for, it's applying for and accepting that. So with that change of our agenda, do I have a motion to approve the agenda? And just state your name, who makes the motion.
This is Mary Holly, and I move to approve.
Do I have a second?
This is Dr. Hall, I second.
Dr. Hall's present too. All right, all those in favor say aye. However, before you say that,
If it's unanimous, we don't need names.
there you go.
If it's not, we need.
Excellent. So all those in
Say.
favor say aye.
Aye. Aye.
Any opposed say nay. So that without any nay, that is unanimously approved. On to approval of the minutes from our March 18th, 2020 meeting. Before I call for a motion to approve, are there any changes? If not, do I have an approval of the minutes from our March 18th, 2020 meeting?
So moved.
I'll second.
All those in favor say aye.
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 Any opposed say nay. All right, unanimously passed. The minutes are approved. On to agenda item 4, public comments. Mr. Kane, is there anything right now from the public for comment?
We have 5 watching, but no public comments.
Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and move on to our action item. Mr. Kane.
Madam Chair, there's one action item this evening, and this as the reports that I've been sharing over the past few weeks, this issue has been fluid, changing, ever-changing over the last few weeks. We received an email probably late March from the CDC asking for public health preparedness and response, asking for our interest in applying for a grant from them. And speaking to the board chair, I did fill out the Survey Monkey, which we were assuming there was a second application coming. There was not a second application. There was, after the board packet went out last Thursday evening, about 8 o'clock Thursday night, I had an email showing this amount of funding was approved for Lee County. So that's why the modification needed to be taking place, and we're wanting to look at those funds to try to build some of our resources internally and kind of possibly pay for some of the things we've already purchased, but also look ahead and see what else we can do with some of the vulnerable populations here in the county if the board will allow us to accept that funding. There is no
So,
county match.
no county match, and then can you state for the board again the amount that we were awarded?
$78,555.
Wow, that's great. Any further discussion? Without any further discussion, do I have a motion to approve us applying for and accepting the COVID-19 crisis response cooperative agreement in the amount of
Motion.
70,000? What, Mr. Keith? Okay. All right, we have a motion.
Mhm.
Do I have a second?
This is Dr. Hall, second.
Dr. Hall, second. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed say
Aye.
Any opposed say nay. All right, unanimously passed. Excellent. And we are not going to go through our management summaries. Without any further business, I'm going to call for a motion to adjourn the meeting. Do I have a motion to adjourn the meeting?
Motion.
Do I have a second? All those in favor say aye.
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 Any opposed say nay. All right, this meeting is adjourned, and thank you all so very much for joining us remotely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Stay safe.